Next is the export DXF naman tayo, yung export ng ating drawing. Dito, sa panel na ito, may drop down. Dalawa tong drawing export natin. Ito is yung detailed at yung isa naman is tabled schedule. Yung detailed beam, detailed is, ang ginagawa nito, gaya nito, B1, pag sinelect natin yung beam detailed, ang mangyayari, itong beam na to at yung result niya is either drawing niya as DXF. Sample. Click natin nyo to and B1. Export DXF. Then, open natin yung CAD. Open natin yung file. DXF file. B1. Open. Pag open natin, ito yung kinalabasan. Yung stirrups niya at yung detailed niya. Pwede na natin tong i-copy at i-paste sa ating typical ng drafting natin. Next is itong export table. Yung export table naman, for example nito, sa data save natin, ito may dalawa, B1 at B3. Ang gagawin nito is export niya as data table. Click natin to as sample. Export beam table schedule. Try natin gawing ang ngalan ng table. Open natin yung file. Open table. Open. Dito, makikita natin na naka-table na yung result natin, yung B1 at B3 at yung corresponding kanya. Dito, makikita natin naka-table na yung na-save data natin. Kung makikita natin ito, B1, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3. Then, sa B3 naman, B3 is 6, 2, 4, 2. Sa section niya is 300 by 500. Then, pwede natin tong i-copy at ilagay sa ating typical. Gaya nito. May typical ka na.